in front of 6 Claremont Avenue in South River, and we're going to take a look at this house and walk through, and hopefully you're going to love what you see. Start off with a concrete 2-car wide driveway up to concrete steps. Nice little patio in the front. Beautiful entry door, nice strong door and a beautiful entry. Walk into the home. The stairs that go up. We're going to go upstairs a little bit later. We'll walk into the great room or the living room. Could be used as a living room, dining room combo too, if you'd like. Right, they have a wonderful fireplace right here. With a wood mantle around it. TV is hung above it, but nice big room, hardwood floors all throughout. Like the whole area. Have it covered here with the carpet. And it walks right into what they did was they expanded the kitchen. Alright, so it has a nice little eating area right here. Alright, go to the basement there. Alright, movable center island that could go right here if you'd like. Beautiful white counters, tile backsplash, with a black granite counter. It's really nice. Alright, so clean oven, stainless steel, refrigerator with a freezer under. Alright, and we have a door right here, it goes out to their deck. This is a composite material deck, so it's maintenance free railings. Goes right out to their outdoor pool, so it's just as good as a built-in house, right? They have a shed here with a full fenced rear yard. Neighbors are well-kept properties for the neighbors. See a lot of room on the deck. Alright, siding is all vinyl, so it's all maintenance free. Let's go back inside real quick. They do have a bedroom down here. Room that was converted to a bedroom. Large bedroom. And there's a bathroom here. There's a full second bath behind. You'll see some of those still photos after this in my virtual tour. So let's go back up to the front here. Again through the living room. And let's go upstairs and take a look at the 2 bedrooms and a full bath upstairs. Again, the stairs are really nice. Got the white risers and the oak treads. Very well kept. Then you have hardwood floor here. Alright, throughout the bedrooms. Here's the second bedroom upstairs. You have 2 closets right here. They have a little desk area for the daughter. Alright, ceiling fan. And closet's a good size. Alright, now go over here. What they're using is the master bedroom. Have a closet there. Another closet here. Alright. Lots of windows. Lots of space. Again, hardwood floors throughout. It's a great property. It's been maintained really well. Here's your other full bath for your shower area and a tub area. Nice and tiled. All right, so that's the quick tour of the house. I want to tell you again, my name is Paul Giantonio, and what you could do is, if you're working with an agent and would like to see more of this property, please call your agent, because they could get in touch with me and we could make arrangements for you to see more of this property, or even have a real-time video tour of the property using Zoom technology and application. Remember, if you are working with another agent, contact your agent. I have to, abide by your agency agreement with your buyer's agent. Ethically, I cannot deal with you. But if you're not working with another agent, feel free to reach out to me. It's Paul Giantonio, ERA Statewide Realty. You can reach me directly at 908-334-4395. Hope you enjoyed the tour, and thanks for sticking around. Have a great day.